Iceland, the land of fire and ice, where we saw the nature at its most raw form. Massive glaciers, countless waterfalls, swimming between two tectonic plates, or driving in Icelandic roads, which made us believe that we are maybe in a different world. This was the trip which took us 2 years to plan, as we road tripped 3000 kilometers around Iceland and camped under the stars. So get settled and enjoy our journey. Our first day started with a bang as we walked between the two tectonic plates of North America and Eurasia.
Open door, it's like finding what you're looking for. We've been waiting. We got a beautiful story. Every moment on and on. We got a beautiful story. And we've only just begun. The best is yet to come.
Good morning, it's our day 2 and today we are in Geyser, and today we'll cover 3 places, and those are Geyser, then the Gullfoss and also the Kerrit crater.
Heartbeat so wild while the sunset sets the night on fire. You and me here, and it feels so right. We got a beautiful story. Every moment on and on. We got a beautiful story. And we've only just begun. The best is yet to come. The best is yet to come.
Morning, this is our day 3. We have already seen the Sailor Falls. Now there is another falls just beside it.
It's like running through an open door. It's like finding what you're looking for. We got a beautiful story.
This is day 4 and we have finally arrived in the most epic location of Iceland.
Story. And we've only just begun. The best is yet to come. The best is yet to come. Never felt my heart beat so wild while the sunset sets the night on fire. You and me here, and it feels so right. We got a beautiful story. Every moment on and on. We got a beautiful story.
So guys, now we are going towards Glaciers, which is also known as Beaver Canyon, because Justin Bieber did a music video in this canyon.
The best is yet to come. Never felt my heart beat so.
After 3 days of camping, we checked into an Airbnb in the middle of nowhere.
You and me here, and it feels so right.
Now we are going towards the Solhei Samandur plane wreck. There is a decent hike towards it. We have to hike like 3.5 kilometers.
Begun. The best is yet to come. The best is yet to come.
After completing South Iceland, we cruised towards the Skaftafell National Park in the east to see the glaciers.
When the morning light brings us to our feet, we'll keep chasing what we were meant to be. We can feel it, we're ready for anything. This is what we've been waiting for. At the dawn of forevermore.
Next we drove towards the north to see Europe's most powerful waterfalls.
Hey, good morning guys, this is our 10th day and now we are going for whale watching in the town of Husavik.
And lastly, we started our final stretch towards the west.
This is what we've been waiting for. At the dawn of forevermore, we can stand on this ground so sure. This is what we knew we would find, leaving all of our doubts behind.
So guys, we are almost done with our trip in Iceland. We have completed the whole ring road and now we are going to re-enter Reykjavik and that will end our trip in Iceland. So yeah, that's it.
হ্যাঁ